Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve unable to backup WhatsApp messages. So let's get started. I'm going to be showing you two solutions today. First, head over to the Google Play Store and search up WhatsApp. Now make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. And now for the second solution, head over to your settings and then look for apps. Now find WhatsApp in your app list. In my case, there's a section here called recently opened apps, so I don't have to look for it. Once you're here, click permissions and make sure the photos and videos permission is allowed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.